Welcome to our new tutorial guys. I will show you how you can add a new products to your existing website using a WooZone direct import extension. You just need to log into your existing domain or website. Here you have to enter your username and password of WordPress. Once you log in, you will see this type of backend dashboard of your website. You just need to scroll down and go to WooZone. From here you can add a new extension to your Chrome browser. You just need to click it here. Get the WooZone direct import extension here. Once you click it, you have an option to add this extension to your Chrome. Just add this extension and pin it here, and you just need to refresh this page of your website. You can see here is the option of authorize. First you can generate a new key, then save setting, refresh it again and authorize. So these steps you just need to follow only one time. You not need to do these steps every time. Once you add a product, you just need to set up this extension only one time. So we set up extension successfully. Now you can go to amazon.com or any Amazon extension from you want to add products to your website. Like if you want, you can add a new products from amazon.in, amazon.uk, amazon.com. So in my case I am adding a new products from amazon.com. So from here you can just click any product that you want to add to your website. I am adding these 5 products to my website. So you have a button. From here you can add this product to your website. As you can see, all the products now on my website in just a few clicks. So you can view this product. This product is on my website now. So next question is in your mind is like how you can categorize this product to proper category, or if you want to uncategorize or you want to change this product category, how you can do that. So for that you just need backend of your website again, and from here you just need to go on all products. From here you can edit their categories. Like you can go with the option of quick edit. From here you can select any category on which you want to add this product, or if you want to add multiple products, if you want to categorize multiple products at a one time, you can also do that. For that you just need to select all the products that you just added or existing products. Like in my case I just added 5 products. And just go press edit and apply. You can categorize them on individual categories, and these all the categories are managed by from this part. Here you can add a new category for any product and just refresh it, and that category will be appear here, and you can select that category and update. So all the products will start appearing on those categories. I hope in this video I give you an overview of like how you can add a new products to your website. I hope in this video I give all the answer of your questions. If you still have any question or query, you can just comment on this video. I will try my best to answer all of those questions. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.